Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Landrover Discovery. So from any screen, you can either click the menu there, and you've got there, it's telling you what lane I'm on. You can click that, or you can click the one with the same symbol on here, which does exactly the same thing, brings you to that. At the bottom there, you've got 6 like square blocks, or picture of 6 square blocks there. Address, points of interest, intersection, and so on. The 3 red dots, map heading, you can change two-dimensional, three-dimensional, we'll go on 3-dimensional. You've got play voice guidance prompts, that's already ticked. We'll go back, and the 6 blocks here at the bottom left hand corner, click on there. Where to? We want to enter zip code, bit of an Americanism, but our postcode, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5. It defaulted to numbers there. Some you have to put a space in if there's only 2 digits, but this you don't. 4JS, PR5 4JS, that's right, so we click on that. Options, that's it. That's how you set it. Okay, deleting a phone can be a little bit confusing. So from any screen, you can either click the phone button there, or click the menu button. If you click the menu, that's a long way, and then you have to click phone, as opposed to just clicking phone anyway. But you see there, no phone connected, connect to device now. Now you don't want to connect it, you want to delete it, so you'd think it'd be no, but you've got to click yes to get this list. And then you've got Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable, list of paired devices. Now also, if you have any problems with streaming audio, with pairing your phone, make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth there, so it's the same steps. List of paired devices. There's my phone. If I click there, delete pairing. So you can either connect it if it's if you've already paired your phone, or I want to delete it. Delete pairing for Barry's iPhone, yes. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Landrover Discovery. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Then we can either go to, well, from any screen, if you're in nav, you can either click phone there, or go to menu, click phone. No phone connected, connect to device now, yes. Search for Bluetooth device, click on that. It's found my phone, select that. Pairing Barry's iPhone, here, Bluetooth pairing request 74462, pair, does the passkey 74462 match? Yes. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I probably won't be using the car again, so I won't allow, but you will. And that's it. Phone's connected. Another great system, well, great thing with this system is if we go on, I'll just turn this down. You see at the bottom there, if I click, Discovery Sport is already selected, there's already a tick next to it. So if I now go to the clapperboard and note there, and you've got source, select Bluetooth audio, turn it up here, it's showing that Red Hot Chili Peppers are playing, which is the tune on this on my iPhone. The system in here is really, really good. If you like music, it's absolutely fantastic. That's how you do it.